But thinking with all this unusual weather, the risk of wildfires has increased, something you wouldn't normally think about this time of the year.
Yeah, with those numbers. And today, the Wisconsin DNR classifying most of northeast Wisconsin under that moderate fire risk. In a first alert update, Samantha Cavalli has more on the dangers ahead.
Normally this time of year, the ground would be covered in snow, but instead, we're on track for the second driest January in history. All it takes is just one spark. Dry and windy conditions make it the perfect recipe for a fire to start. Just in the past nearly 24 hours, we have reported on 3 fires. One in Suamico burning around 12 acres, an early morning crash between Highway 172 and Interstate 41, causing a fire caught on DOT cameras, and a Wednesday morning brush fire off Highway 10 in Calumet County. Town of Two Rivers Fire Chief Mark Lightfoot says he doesn't recall any fires in January, saying this is very unusual for this time of year. With tomorrow expected to be higher temperatures, he asks Wisconsinites to be cautious.
Don't burn your garbage now. Cigarette butts, make sure they're extinguished. Even if you're working on like a small engine or something out in the woods, on a log splitter, make sure it's not sparking and keep an eye on everything.
And just this morning, the fire chief tells me that they responded to a brush fire just down the road from the station after a careless mistake nearly cost someone their home. We'll tell you those details coming up tonight at 6. Reporting in the town of Two Rivers, Samantha Cavalli, Action 2 News.